To get started using Revit, Autodesk offer you a 30-day free trial, which is the perfect amount of time to discover if this is the right software for you. If you are a student or educator, Autodesk do offer a 1-year free license. You must be a student, faculty, qualified educational institution, or other authorized education user to avail of this offer. Autodesk software and services are available via subscription only. Subscriptions to Autodesk products offer term licensing with automatic renewal and access to the latest software and product enhancements, support and cloud services. Autodesk offer a single and a multi-seat subscription. There's also a subscription term, which is a pay-as-you-go subscription option, ranging from monthly renewal to 3-year terms. Yearly or multi-year contracts may save you money compared to a monthly renewal. Autodesk also offers support. All subscriptions come with basic support to help you get up and running. Some products include advanced support or offered as an option for an extra fee. On your screen is a comparison between Revit and Revit Lite. So with Revit, you can plan, design, construct and manage buildings and infrastructure with powerful tools for building information modeling. While with Revit Lite, you can produce architectural designs and documentation with more cost-effective, streamlined BIM software. The uses for Revit would be modeling building components, analyzing and simulating systems and structures, iterating and visualizing designs, generating design documentation for fabrication or construction. While Revit LT, designing and documenting building projects using BIM, generating 3D views, or producing BIM deliverables. What Revit does offers BIM features for architectural design, structural engineering, and MEP engineering and fabrication. Imports, exports, and links data with formats including IFC, DWG, and DGN. Includes tools for 3D design visualization, reinforcement detailing, linking with still detailing. And with Revit LT, we have 3D modeling in BIM, design documentation, design file exchange with Revit software users. Both Revit and Revit LT have a single user license. While full Revit includes Dynamo, computational BIM design software, and Insight, Revit LT does not. As of April 2020, Revit currently costs €3,195 per year, while Revit LT only costs $654. So depending on what you want to achieve with Revit, you have a choice between the full package or the light version.